Hi, I'm Dave Barney, the TV Attribution Product Manager, and I'm here today with David Murphy, our TV Attribution Global Product Expert. Today we're going to walk you through the uploaded TV spot data report. This report really has two primary purposes. First is in debugging the data that you upload into the product to make sure that the data that we received and that are using is what you expected and what you intended to upload. But a secondary benefit of this report is that over time it becomes a repository of all your TV data with easy access to the data and the ability to download all of these spots. David here is going to walk us through the report. David, why don't you take us through it?
Yeah, sure. Let's dive in. Okay, cool. So to get there, you actually have to jump into a different section. So you click down here on Uploaded Data and then click on TV Spots. And what you'll suddenly start to see is, as David said, all the TV spots you've uploaded for this particular date range. Again, you can change that if you want. And again, here we can actually see there's a perfect upload. So in the summary tabs at the top, we can see that we uploaded 2.4 thousand spots, and actually 2.4 thousand were used, which is great. And then you get some other metrics, again, like impressions, networks, and creatives, just to make sure what you expect is actually in there. And in this case, it is a perfect upload. So the blue line, which represents the number of spots you uploaded, and the green line, which represents the number of usable spots, they overlap. So you actually can't see the blue line, which is great. But if we go into an example where the upload wasn't perfect, we suddenly start to see a different picture, where there is a delta between these two. So in this example, we uploaded 6.7 thousand TV spots, but only 5.2 got accepted. And you can see that here, but you can also see it much more clearly represented inside the lines here, where there is a massive gap. And it's broken out by day. So sometimes you might be able to see this is localized to a certain event, a certain month or day part. But here it's actually consistent across the entire date range. Now, to help debug that further, you can then look at the tabular data and find out what are the common causes. And in this case, it seems like no impressions were available for those particular TV spots. And the TV attribution model requires impressions to actually work. So we'll still see them represented here in this report, but when you see them in the other outputs, they get ignored. So that's just a summary of how you can use the TV uploaded spot report.
Yeah, and as we mentioned in the beginning, the initial design and purpose of this report was really to help debug, to make sure that the data that you're uploading is used the way you expected in the system. But a secondary benefit that our customers have found is it becomes a great repository for all of your spots with the ability to analyze it in a table as well as in a time series chart. And that wraps it up for our uploaded TV spot data report. Thank you.